How to make chicken wire yard decorations. Chicken wire yard decorations can add a visual wonder to your yard. Making them can be a fun family project. Talk about the yard decoration with family members ahead of time so that everyone agrees on the final design of the project. Whether it's a large chicken wire yard decoration or a small one, it will be a project that will appeal to both young and old. Things you will need: wire cutters, tie wraps, newspaper, scissors, bowl, water, white gypsum cement, outdoor paint, paint brushes. Design your yard decoration before beginning work. You need to know what shapes to cut the chicken wire. Make sure you have legs or a large base for your design so your yard decoration will be sturdy and not blown over by wind. Cut sections of chicken wire to fit your design. Connect the sections with tie wraps. Cut off the excess ends of the tie wraps with wire cutters. Then the chicken wire is necessary to complete your design. Fill a bowl with water. Cut a newspaper into strips. Put the strips into the water and then lay the strips over the surface area of the chicken wire decoration. Wait for the newspaper to dry. Use a paintbrush to cover your chicken wire decoration with white gypsum cement. This is more durable than other plaster coatings and will stand up to the elements. Allow the gypsum cement to dry. Paint your yard decoration to fit your design. White gypsum cement dries to a bright white color, so colors stand out nicely. Wait for the paint to dry and place your chicken wire yard decoration in your yard. Tips: warnings. Stake your decoration into the ground if you believe it might blow away in the wind. Chicken wire yard decorations are best for homes in locations where neighbors' opinions are not an issue.